How can I use my phone to match thread shades? Welcome to Epida Studio. My name is Elizabeth and I help you make beautiful things with quilting, embroidery, and embroidery. So this tip is actually one that I learned from somebody who reads my newsletter, and a little while ago I shared ways that you can use your phone camera in quilting. And if you want to see those, you can check out that video. I have 5 different ways. But this person shared a way she uses her phone camera in embroidery, and it was something I hadn't done before, but I tried it and it worked out really great. So you would use this tip if you want to substitute colors. So let's say, for example, I was doing a piece and it had pink flowers, and this was the color that it had in the pattern, or whatever I was doing, it had this pink that was used. But I wanted to make blue flowers. Well, then I could go through my blue and I could see I have all these different shades of blue. And I want to know which shade of blue will be the same shade as this pink so that it will blend in the design and the pattern that I have. Now before, the way I would have figured it out is by holding up the pink thread and kind of guessing, but you can also use your phone camera to do this. So if you put your pieces down and then take a picture of them, you can edit on your phone to turn that picture to black and white, and then you can clearly see what shade is going to be kind of the same shade as your original color. So with this set, going by eye, I would have thought this middle one would be the matching shade. But it turns out that the lighter blue is actually a better match. And so that might be a better choice for my embroidery project. So this applies to thread, but I'm sure it could apply to fabric as well. If you want to substitute in another piece, but you're trying to match the shade, then using black and white on your camera will be a big help. So for more embroidery and quilting, quick tips and tutorials, check out my website, epidastudio.com.